All right, good morning, guys. Welcome. Thank you very much for joining me. I'm Mike. If you're new to this channel is called the IPO Market Watch, which you probably already know by now. If you don't, I don't cover just IPOs. I cover all stocks on the stock market, right? So I'll review and analyze various stocks that I think are buys. We'll talk about dividend stocks. We'll look at exchange traded funds. Of course, all the IPOs also. In this video, I'm going to cover an initial public offering. This initial public offering is actually an initial public offering. I have done a video in the past. But there are major changes, right? Major changes. And so we're going to recover it, and I'll give you my final opinion on this because it's actually a very hotly debated IPO. And for the reason that it's $4, it's available for pre-order at $4, and it's profitable. And for that reason, people are split, and there's a big debate on this. Should we get in? Should we not? It's profitable. I need to get in. It's going to go up on day one, but it's Chinese and it's $4 and they haven't been performing well. Maybe I shouldn't get in, right? So let's look at this because maybe this might be a money-making opportunity, maybe not, right? And you'll be surprised because I actually have a sort of different opinion on this than I did in my previous video because things have changed. So here's a screenshot, guys, of my previous video. You might remember this thumbnail. YIBO, YIBO is the ticker symbol, IPO review. If you head over to YIBO to pre-order this, you will still see it available for pre-order. But YIBO is making one mistake that people won't realize unless they look at the prospectus and they click on it and read it, right? But if you don't click on it, which most people won't, they're going to see that it says that it's available $4 to $5. And then it says here, shares to be listed, 4 million. That's wrong. It's not 4 million. It used to be 4 million. Weibo hasn't changed that. It's actually 1.7 million. They changed that now, right? So it's 1.7. That's one big difference, right? And this is the prospectus that if you click on it and scroll down, I'm sorry, it's not 1.7. It's 1.2 million shares. So it's even less. So and the company is called Planet Image International Limited. So 1.2 million shares. Is this company profitable? It is. It is. They claim to be the third largest printed cartridge supplier in the world for all the brands, right? So this is a white label company, and and it creates printed cartridges for your HP printer or your Canon printer or your Epson printer. They claim to be the third largest. I haven't verified that, so I don't know, right? But what we do see in the SEC filing that in 2022 they had $142 million in revenue. In 2021 they had 141. So basically it goes from 141 to 142 million in 2022. A small change. They are profitable in the sense that if you look at the net income, they went from 4.9 million to 7.2 million dollars positive. Total debt is at 34 million. Not bad. There's some negatives though. Don't assume though that this is all perfect and rosy, right? Because people are saying, look, this is $4. It's profitable. Third largest supplier for printer cartridges in the world. Like I said, we haven't verified the third largest part. Second, right now, Hewlett-Packard, Epson, Canon, they're already working on this. All right, that's something that they're going to start. They're already working on this, and that is that they will make printers that you can't, a third-party company, another company can't reproduce the cartridges needed for those printers. So if you have a Hewlett-Packard printer, you're going to have to subscribe to Hewlett-Packard's service thing and get your printer cartridges from them. That's already occurring. They're trying to make it so hard that you just can't reproduce. A Chinese company like this one won't be able to reproduce their printer cartridges. And guess what? If they succeed legally, right? If they succeed legally, this company is pretty much out of business, right? In my opinion, they're going to see massive revenue decrease. Guys, this is why I wanted to point this out, because there's a lot of people who are on social media telling people this is $4 and it's profitable. They're the third largest. We got to go all in. If you're looking at this from the sense of a day trade, or let me pre-order this and sell it on day one, fine. Who cares what the financials are? Who cares what? It doesn't matter. You're in it to pre-order and get out on day one. But for anyone thinking to hold this for the long term, I think you should rethink about it. There's been pretty much 90% of the $4 Chinese IPOs are not profitable. But there's been some we had in the past $4 Chinese IPOs that were profitable, and they all tanked in the end anyways. And so, the Chinese stocks aren't really doing that well anyways right now. We'll see if things change around. But the other thing is this company is saying that they're going to go on the stock market valued at $246 million. If you look at that compared to the revenue that this company has, compared to the net income, compared to the debt, compared to all sorts of things, you can do some calculations. And one of the things that you can come up with is the PE ratio. The PE ratio of the company, according to the information you see on your left here in the white, the market cap at 263 million, the enterprise value at 239 million, price to sales 1.8, EV to revenue 1.6, EV to EBITDA 29.3, and blah blah blah. If you if you do the calculations, one of the things you can come up with is the P ratio, which is about 32. A P ratio of about 32 for this $4 IPO going public is not something that spells to me, yeah, this is perfect deal, long term, amazing. Just my opinion. I'm not saying it's not going to pop on day one. That's totally different. When you're evaluating a stock, you're not evaluating for a pop on day one to sell. So my overall review and analysis on this is this. One, first of all, if you want to see further analysis of what this company is about, learn about it, and the CEO and everything like that, watch my previous video on this company where I do much more deep analysis about the company, right? This was a quick one. This second video is a quick one. Valuation score, 4 out of 5 if you're looking to buy it as a pre-order and sell on day one. I think it's going to pop. That's my opinion. Don't copy me at all in any way, shape, or form. Do your own due diligence. So that's that. As far as the long term it goes, no, man, no, don't give me that stuff. Come on, guys, seriously. I'm not saying that to you. Most of my viewers, 99% of my viewers understand me. They know me, and you guys are smart, and you guys know what you're doing. There's this few 1% that I don't think they know what they're doing. I think they should seek financial advice, professional financial advice. My valuation score on this for the long term is not good. Not good at all in any way, shape, or form. I think that there's a lot of red flags and a gloomy future for companies, not just this one. If legally, Hewlett-Packard, Canon, Epson are able to pull it off, and in the end, no one is able to replicate their printer cartridges, right? If I pronounce that word right. So with that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below, because I'm telling you, this is one IPO that everyone's split, and there's a big debate about this one because of the profitability. So yeah, that's that. I think it's going to pop on day one, not a long term. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a good one, everyone. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.